What I'm going to do is place the aluminum foil on top of the paper. I've already cut it to the correct size for both strips. The next thing that we'll do is place the tabs of aluminum foil on top. This will allow us to access these larger strips later. And then we'll tape that in place. And then we'll take these two strips and place them on top of each other. The next thing we'll do is we'll take our pencil and we'll place this in the center at the end, and we'll tape that in place. And then the next thing that we're going to do is roll this up into a capacitor. It's very important to get this tight. Have good contact here, and then keep it straight. Once you've rolled up your capacitor, you can twist, get to the pencil here, and then twist your pencil in the direction so that it tightens the capacitor, and you have better contact. Then once you have a nice, good capacitor, tape it together, and now you have a capacitor. So you have two leads here to either end of the different strips. And we're going to take our capacitance meter, go up to LCR, plug in our leads. These are alligator clips. And we'll use this to measure